I am tired of these obnoxious thumbnails and facial expressions on videos. Everyone is doing it and they are the only things farthest away from what's actually in the video. For example, this channel. Please kill me. There may be some weight to the fact that,
but man, they're just trying to reach as much people as they can.
I get it, okay? While that might be a great topic of discussion for the YouTube gurus to geek out on, I'm gonna focus on the viewer side of things. We need to see something that's actually in the video, and here's when DeArrow comes in. If you're an experienced veteran user, you probably know Ajay Ramachandran, the amazing creator of the sponsor block browser extension, which lets you skip all the redundant parts in a YouTube video like the forced humor, cringe sponsorships, and ultra begging for likes and shares, and focus on the main part of the content. Well, he made another extension which helps us crowdsource the titles and thumbnails of those videos in order to strip these videos off of misleading titles and weird thumbnails. It's super easy to install and works really great. There's even a tutorial video which shows you how to use this extension like a pro. So basically you install it and you're done. You can toggle this on or off and see the changes take place in real time. When you leave it enabled, all the videos which have submissions by other people will show the replaced and more accurate titles and thumbnails. You can also choose what happens to the videos which do not have any submissions. You can also make your own submissions and vote on other people's submissions as well. This way the whole user community keeps everything authentic and accurate. Now I see this video from Hardware Unboxed which has a custom thumbnail. I can just click the video and then click on this pencil button and then search the video for a moment that best represents this video's main idea, and then I click here on current time to select this exact frame from the video to be the new thumbnail, and then click on vote. And now if I open their channel page and search that video, you can see that now it has the exact thumbnail that I submitted. Notice that I did not change the title because it was fairly accurate, so it didn't need to be changed. And this is the basic overview of how this extension works. Give it a try and please like and subscribe for more cool tips.